Did Mario do this? Do you think the guy actually sanded this? That's just like straight putty, no sanding. Dude, look at these terrible, like, was he just hammering it in? He didn't even have a nail gun, did he? Why did he paint these doors? Dude, Mario up that job. All right, we're in front of a rental property that I bought for $26,000. These beams were pulling this whole house all the way down. The whole thing was falling over. And then we had Super Mario, who's not super anymore. Super Mario got squashed by the mushroom, or he had too many mushrooms. He really screwed this job up. We're probably done working with him. He did a good job for us for a while. Danny could probably tell you some of the things he did on the deck.
So this deck, he used the original beam, which is fine. That thing is secure. But the steps from the top deck to the middle landing were only held in by 2 nails, so it's pretty wobbly. Wasn't secured. There was no footings. Like here, you can see they actually used like some concrete slabs from the front that they tore out. Has some footings there, and they poured concrete below. So everything's all secured now. It's all level. So it was actually
cattywampus.
Yeah, it was slanted away from the house before.
Nice. They got roosters over there too. Is this? It is sunken, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's original. It's not ideal, but it is solid.
All right, let's walk through here and see what we got going on. So if we are flipping it, we need to paint all this, right? Probably need one more coat of poly in here. These doors are white and these doors are not.
So this is where he installed just a shower, no tub valve, but he didn't use the right mixing valve, and he actually installed it backwards, so we were leaking inside the wall.
So when your contractor starts to cost you money, like this is like the 3rd time, like where his plumbing has been insignificant and doesn't care, that's when it's time to get rid of him. And he did good work for us for a long period of time, and then it just got to the point where like we just decided to have Francisco, who may end up being the same way down the road, you never know. But it's like he painted these doors, which these are probably all good wood doors. They left these ones over here. It's a cool house. And the other cool feature about this house is it's got a really good upstairs. Oh, watch your fucking head. Either way, this will be a good rental or a good flip. Did Mario do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we probably need to finish this off again. The idea of wood putty is that you're supposed to sand it. I don't think he sanded it. Take a look at this. Do you think the guy actually sanded this? That's just like straight putty, no sanding. Like he just put the putty in. He sanded here, and then he didn't sand here. I think we just need to have these guys, we'll just spend a little bit more money, have them freaking rent a sander. If we're gonna try to flip it, I might as well have it done right. And probably what we should have done is just deleted this damn door and got rid of the deck. If I was doing this again, I would have just deleted it, because would you even know it's up here? It's just one more access point, which maybe not a good thing. And cost more door. I mean, how much is the lumber? Is this Mario's handiwork?
Yep.
Dude, look at these terrible, like, was he just hammering it in? He didn't even have a nail gun, did he? I think this has got to be a rental. We're gonna have to do a lot more work if we're gonna get it flipped. I think another thing is like put something right here, put like a piece of felt or something and paint it. So somebody doesn't bust their head like, oh. Yeah, you see there's a lot. Like, why did he paint these doors? These were perfectly in good shape. Yeah, so Mario's out. We get to see there's he shot all the
Yeah, he textured the crown molding.
Oh my God. But this came out good, so they just boxed these in. You can always tell what your guys are best at. They're best at framing these guys, huh? Might as well get this whole thing right, but I think, dude, Mario f***ed up that job. So if you see that going on next time, just be like, dude, you're done. You're out of here. If they're like not going the right direction, get rid of them. Here's the deal on this one. I wasn't planning on flipping it anyways. I was planning on turning it into a rental, and then I was just like, maybe I'll pull my cash out of the deal. When you flip, you start with one direction, which is you're touching everything and you're trying to go the whole way. Originally, they had done this as kind of a 2-unit, which we could definitely do because there's a separate bathroom up there, but they couldn't really cook anything. If you look at cost, this is gonna cost a lot more money to maintain. Things can happen, people get hurt. Always try to get rid of things like that. So next time, Danny knows like, hey, if I see something like that, we don't have to rebuild it. Guys tend to always just rebuild whatever was there. They're like, oh, it was here. Let's just make it the same thing it was. My thing is like eliminate problems. Knowing that we're not flipping it, let's not paint the cabinets. Let's not paint anything else. And then if we always have nice hardwood, like keep it nice, like don't paint the nice doors because it looks like crap. Seems like Mario probably, sometimes you gotta like get rid of these guys altogether, but that looks really good. Concrete job they did on there. This thing was really messed up, so this looks a lot better now. The other thing is like, if you're looking at flipping this, we've got this gem across the street over here, that gem over there, that gem over there. Maybe the neighborhood's not quite ready for us. This guy's got, what's up, man? I scare you? Cool. So this one will probably rent for like 1,000 or so, I would imagine. Probably between 1,000 and 1,200. It's a good neighborhood, you're close to town. The only reason I would say, let's maybe not flip it is we got busted up house here, semi-busted up house here, busted up house here. We're probably gonna leave a little bit of money on the table. This is more rental grade. Why was I looking to flip it? I figure maybe I'll get 120. So maybe we don't re-sand upstairs since it is a rental now, but I do wanna paint it. We do wanna do that, be done with that, because paint's really rough on there. I'm going back and forth in my head if I want to flip this or not, like as we speak. I think this house could be worth 200,000 in the long term. Might as well have a tenant in there, have them wear it out a little bit, go back through, fix it up one last time, throw some new doors in there, get things 100% perfect, and then we can come and sell it. Oh, plus I know why I can't flip it. I did a 1031 exchange with it, so that takes that part all out together. People tell you, oh, don't buy here. There's no heavy foot traffic. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities that we could buy the whole street. This is something that I do all the time. As I think time will happen, people are gonna start buying these. I just fix this one up. Somebody's gonna say, oh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna buy this one, fix this one. This guy just fixed this one up. It's kind of contagious. If you're looking to invest in real estate, if you're looking for a coach, we offer a coaching program. I teach guys how to do this all the time. Have you learned a ton?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so Danny's newer, came from Fidelity. You went to the Marines. Did you get a college degree?
Yeah.
Did you learn anything in college?
Not much.
Okay, so what have you learned here?
Where to begin? Rentals, flips, everything in between.
Don't work a job for money, work a job for like experience and knowledge. Like he can leave tomorrow and learn how to flip houses, know how to get hard money, know how to asset protect, know how to do all that stuff. Sometimes people work a job. What did you learn how to do at Fidelity?
Excel spreadsheets.
Nice. There's a YouTube course for that, right?
Yeah.
So this is like real life on the job training. And if you guys are looking to get a mentorship, we have a mentorship program where I teach you how to do exactly this. I got guys in Kansas City doing it, Birmingham, Alabama, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You can do this in any place in the United States. You can buy properties for discounted prices. Look at this guy. I could be like, you gotta pull a, yeah. Where's his car payment going? You guys are best at framing, huh? Is that your guys' best thing? It seems like you guys are really good at the framing. Like you could tell what people are the best at. Are you best at framing? Because every deck I've seen you touch has been like 90-degree angles, perfect and shit like that. Painting, you know, seems like people get like worn out of painting, but framing, it seems like you guys really got the handle on. Who leads the way on that? Because that looks all good. Is that you?
Uh-huh.
Was that what you used to do? Were you a framer?
Yeah.
Nice and tidy, huh? Has this thing ever been stolen?
No.
Knock on.
I always keep it locked.
A lot of money and tools in there. Where do you go shopping? Are you a Harbor Freight guy?
No.
I love Harbor Freight, dude. You can like lose the material and you're like ahead. What is this, your coolers?
Yeah.
So you got the Yetis?
Uh-huh.
Man, this guy's got expensive taste over here. And you guys got a microwave in here too?
Yeah. No, we're set, man.
Who sits back here? Whoever didn't behave. And this is set up so that they can't steal it from you?
Yeah.
This is like probably one of the hardest ones I've seen to get off. I've never seen one of these before. So where's there more theft, Mexico or the United States?
I think here.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. It's so funny that people say like, oh, Mexico's dangerous. I'm like, dude, have you been to freaking Kansas City? You've been to Las Vegas? What's the name of your company, just in case somebody wants to hire you?
Lobo Construction.
What does Lobo mean?
Wolf.
Wolf Construction. You gotta, oh, there's your phone number. Have you ever been ripped off?
Oh, yeah. Plenty times.
Plenty of times? Yeah. So it works both ways, right? On this side, like I've been ripped off plenty of times by contractors. He's been ripped off plenty of times by customers. Because most guys, you're gonna try to ask for what, 50% down?
No, I asked just for the initial, like, let's say the project's 50, I ask for like 10.
Right.
And when they see progress, then that's when I ask for another 10 or, you know, just, it's a give and give.
I'll give him credit, dude. You stayed on me more than most people do. Like, I was like, nah. Because I think your first price, when somebody hits me with a high price in the beginning, I'm just like, nah, I'm good. And you hit me with a high price in the beginning, and then like we came to an agreement, and now we just keep working together. And so this looks good, man. Good job, brother.
Appreciate it.
Peace. Again, this should have been caught. I mean, whoever installed this, they know. They freaking know.